Oh. Oh, God, no. Sneezing in a helmet is not good for you. Oh. I'm sorry, guys. Note to self, blow your nose before you get in the helmet, because that is not good. As usual, I'm not usually late, but today, I'm gonna be late to school because, you know how like that feeling when you're like, oh, I'm just gonna take a little nap, and you just kind of rest your eyes a little bit, you're like, this feels good, and you wake up and it's like 5 hours later. That's essentially what happened, but not as severe. I was exaggerating, for real, for my part. It was more like, I leave at 6:30, I took a little nap at 6, woke up at 6:30, I leave before that, normally like 10 minutes. It really matters, you know, that 10 minutes matters a lot when you're, when you're doing your normal daily ritual, like, because people take your spots because more people are there. It's really crazy. You know, I really wish they'd put the speed limit on both sides of the speed limit sign, just so you can see, in case you just missed it, what the speed is, and I hate that. You guys probably saw it, it's probably like 30 or something. God dang it. I always do that, I don't know why. I never shift up high enough when it's, when I'm in first gear. I always like half shift. It's just easier for me, apparently. It's quite irritating. Ugh, yes. Oh shit. Fucking wind! Oh shit! Oh, wind came out of nowhere. What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh shit, what is this guy doing? Oh god. Oh, I should probably get in this lane. Hey, I see what you're doing, you motherfucker. Gotta make sure there's no cops right here. Oh my god, here we go. Ah, yeah, okay, there's no cops, good. Oh, look, a pilot freight services. I hate being behind large trucks. That just means I'm more susceptible to dying. Is it turning yellow? I have no idea, because I'm behind a fucking huge freight train. Ah! Get over. Get over, move. Move. Ah! Sir, I can't see if anyone's right there. If you're blocking my view! God damn it! Bum 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 ba da